HobbyKidsTV Surprise Toys!
We can have so much fun now that the Bergens decided to be nice to us.
We get to skateboard all day long, and we get to play with our scrapbooks and our glitter. Woohoo! Let's go! Well, while you guys are playing around, I think something's wrong with Cooper.
Nothing's wrong with me, guys. I'm fine.
Come on, Cooper. You're pooping cupcakes again. You know that only happens when you're really scared. What's got you so scared?
Well, I saw something in the forest. It's really creepy and scary. You better get Branch.
Come on, Branch. You gotta quit playing around. Ever since you got over that whole Bergen thing, is all you want to do is play all day.
That's 'cause playing's cool. You know, having fun on the old longboards, just hanging out.
That's all good for you, but have you seen what's happening to Cooper?
Yeah, I know. He's pooping cupcakes again.
That means he's scared. He saw something in the forest.
Let's find Poppy and go see what he found. Come on! Well, okay, let's go see just in case. I guess we have to go out in the forest with Cooper to see what he found. Something scary.
Scary.
In the woods.
How scary.
Can it be? I don't know. Let's go. Ever since the Bergens got happy, everybody's happy. What could he have found in the forest? Oh my, let's go see. You see it, Branch? What is it? Oh no, what could it be?
Dun 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 dun.
Oh no, it's a marshmallow monster! I've seen these in the woods before. They're no good. They eat trolls too. I'm telling you, I've seen these guys before. They're tricky. They'll make you think they want to be happy when really they just want to get you in their bellies.
You told me we couldn't make the Bergens happy, and we did. I'm gonna try. Glitter makes everybody happy. That's not a good idea, Poppy. Don't get too close to that guy. He looks scary. He has huge spikes on his back. Look at those teeth. Whoa.
He even has spikes on his legs. He's got horribly big spikes on his fingers. Please be careful, Poppy. You can count on me.
Hello, Mr. Marshmallow Man. I have a surprise for you.
Yep, you got him glittery, all right. Most boys don't like to be glittered, Poppy. That just made him angrier.
We shouldn't have done that. Look at those teeth. Ooh. And it looks icy cold in there. We don't like the cold.
What'd you do that for? I just came here to have some fun with you guys and play a little bit, but no. You want to get glitter on me?
So, any more bright ideas, smart girl?
Oh, I'm sorry, Branch. I just thought glitter made everybody happier. I didn't know he was going to get so angry. I don't think he wanted to play with us. I think he wanted to play with us. So you think when he said play with, he meant eat us? It's my fault he's angry. I'm going to fix this.
Oh no, help me you guys. He's all sticky. I got too close and I stuck to him. Oh, I can't seem to get off. Here I come, Poppy. I'll help you. Now I'm stuck. He is sticky. Ugh.
Poor guy, he's scared too.
Oh
Alright, I got a plan. Whoa. Well, you're all stuck, right? You can't get unstuck. So see if you can roll over and just give him a big hug and some kisses, and let's see what happens. That's a great idea. Let's do it. I know it'll make him happy and make him nicer. Coming in for a hug.
Oops.
Hug, hug, hug. Kissy, kissy, kissy. Oh, I think we're killing him with kindness. See if you can get unstuck, everybody. Listen, what's that noise? I think he's falling apart, you guys. You better hurry. We're free! Whoa, look at that! There were surprises in that monster! Woohoo! Let's clean up this mess and see what we got. If we all work together, it won't take long. Whoa, we got a Ninja Turtle Smash'ems. We got Troll Sour Bites. Mmm, yummy. What's this? It's a Marvel blind box. Woohoo! We get to put that together. Which one? Let's do our Mash'ems. Ninja Turtle Mash'ems. Yes. Hey, it's Leonardo! Woohoo! You, they're so fun to mash. Woohoo! And he's got his katanas. 2 katanas. Woohoo! Ew. Ooh, I got 2.
Ooh, Leonardo, you're so squishy, squishy. I can just squish you all day long. Ooh, it's all ushy and cushy. Ugh. Feels a little bit like snot. Big old booger.
Oh, what next? I want... Look what we got, guys! Ooh, yum! Sour Bite Octopus. Oh, they look so cool. They look pretty squishy, too. Oh, what's... Oh! Oh, look at that! Look what was inside our gummies. All right. Ooh, let's see what these are first. Ooh, they look so good. Ooh, yum. Blue and green. Ooh, yum, yum. Let's open our Trolls blind bag. Bonus. Oh, we don't have her yet. Look at how cute. She got blue hair. How cute. We can use her. We don't have one of these yet to play with. Look at that. Oh, she even stands up. One left. It's our Marvel Looney World. Oh, look at there. I'll get it open. Let's see which one we got. Ooh, which one is that? I think it's Cyclops. Here's our stickers.